Hello, my students. How are you? Grade 4. How are you? Today's weekly assessment number 9. Okay, in this year 2026. First question here, first term, about choose the correct answer. What is the number produced by 3 equal 8? We know 8 and 3 equal 3. We use here commutative properties. We must write 8 in the space. 2 times 5 times 7 equal 2 times what times 7? What's the number we would write here? We must write 5. 2 times 5 times 7 equal 2 times 5 times 7. Write 5 here in the space. Answer the following. 23 times 0 equivalent 0. Any number product by 0 equals 0. We called it the properties by product by 0. Next question. Using the associative and commutative property to find the result of 5 times 4 times 7. We can use here 5 product by 4 in brackets. We can use here commutative properties and also associative. Okay, like this. 4 times 5 in brackets times 7. We use here commutative and associative property. Commutative and associative property here. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 times 7. Write 0 and 2 times 7 equal 14. Then the answer will be 140. Question. Use the decomposing of multiples 10, 100, 1000. Also, associative property finds the result here. Like this question, 5 times 20 equal what? We can solve this by write 5 product by 2 product by 10. Okay, and then we can put brackets here. 5 times 2 10. 10 times 10 is 100. And what about 3 product by 600? We can write 3 times 6 times 100 and then put brackets using associative property. 3 times 6 18. 18 times 100 equal 1800. And 2 times 4000 is equivalent to 2 times 4 times 1000. To brackets 2 times 4 8. 8 times 1000 equal 8000. Next question, letter B. 5 times 7 equals 7 times 5. Write 7 in the brackets. Write 7 here. Next question, number 2. 4 times 5 times 3 equal 4 times what times 3. We must here 5. We need to ask 5 here in this space. 5. Answer the following. 1 product by 245 is 245. Next question. Using the associative property to find the result here is example 5 times 4 times 6. We can put brackets and 4 times 5 20. 20 times 6 equal 120. Put 0 and 2 times 6 12. Next question. Use multiples to find the answer here. About 7 and 30 equal, right? 7 and 30 equal 3 times 10. Put brackets. 7 times 3 equal 21. 21 times 10 it will be 210. 5 product by 600. Write 5 times 6 times 100 and then put brackets. 5 times 6 30. 30 times 100. Write 30 and double zero, then the result will be 3000. Okay, and 5. Okay, 5 now finished. Now question 4. 4 times 7000. Write 4 product by 7 times 1000. And then using here associative property. 4 times 7 28. 28 times 1000. It will be 28,000. What is the number produced by 5 equal 4 times 9 We use here commutative properties. 4 times 9 is equivalent 9 times 4. Choose letter B. 4 times 2 times 6 equal 4 times 1 times 6, 4 times 2. Put 2 here in this place. Find the product. 456 by 0. The result will be 0. Find the result here. 15 times 2 times 6 equal what? We can put brackets here because 2 times 15, twice of 15 here, it will be what? The twice of 15 equal 30. 30 times 6. Write 0 and 3 times 6, 18. Question 3 times 20 is write 3 and 22 times 10. Put brackets here and 3 times 2, 6. 6 times 10, then the answer will be 60. What about 5 times 300? Put 5 times 3 times 100. Put brackets 5 times 3 as 15. 15 times 100. Write 15 and double 0. Then the result will be 1500. Next question. 7 times 12. 2000. We can write 7 and 2000 equal 2 times 1000. Then put brackets using associative properties. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 times 1000. It will be 14,000. Okay, now I will give you example like this. What about 8 product by 999 product by 125? To solve this question, you must know 8 times 125 is 1000. Then we can use the commutative and associative properties. Write 8 product by 125 and then put brackets 999. 8 times 125 is 1000 times 999. Then the result will be 999 thousandths. And also we can write 2 times 621 times 5. We can write 2 by 5 first. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 621. We use here associative properties. Then put 0 outside. The result will be 6210. And what about this equation? What about 4 times 999 times 25? We must know 4 times 25 is 100. You must know these properties. And then using commutative properties, 4 times 25 times 999, put brackets. 4 times 25 is 100. 100 times 999, and the answer will be 99,900. Okay, you must know these properties.